It's about time to install some Jeep rear fenders. 2 of my fluffy biscuits, 2 pieces of fried chicken, applewood smoked bacon, and all the fixings you can eat. What is up, guys, and welcome back. When I left you last time, we put on the front Jeep inner fender liner. The back ones were still shipping, didn't come in time. So they're here. I just want to throw them on real quick, just in case you took your time and invested in that video, you can see the back ones as well. Here is the kit. It's an all aluminum construction. Each fender well is 3 pieces that you'll put together. Make sure you pay note because the 3 pieces are different versus on what side they're on, especially these little side ones right here. They've got this thing here. I'm probably gonna paint that black because I don't need multiple of these. Just want the ones in the front with the lights. With those lights installed and everything. Perfect. These will cost you $100 on Amazon, anywhere from $100 to $150 depending on what you get on them. So let's go look at the fender without the fender liner. We'll install it and check it out after. Installation note, you'll look at the fenders. You'll have a little dip on each side. That dip goes down toward the front of the car. The 2 holes you're gonna line up are the ones in the bottom, right there and there. When you come into the fender, they will be right there and right there. Don't get much easier than this. Just roll it up in there. Fit it back in the holes. Working it up. So you find those little holes in the body. Right there. You probably can't see, but that hole is open right up. Now once you get that up in there, it's so tight, so secure. Believe it or not, that's all they want you to do. But for good measure, I'm probably gonna throw a couple more bolts up top. I got some of these self-tappers that have a built-in washer and a little rubber grommet thing, and I put them right here in the top. So I got the 2 in the bottom, 2 in the top. Ignore these. Those are just rivets to hold that little backer plate on. Pre-installed. And that looks like that. It'll cut down that vibration, dampen any kind of noise, and that's already done. There we go. I'll go to the sunny side in a minute, but problem is, that's the first thing you notice on the Jeep now. It's too much. It's not my style. It's got to go. I bought it for the purposes and functionality, not the decor. So say goodbye to the flag and all your little chrome friends. Vaya con Dios. If you've done this before, I bet you could do this in under 5 minutes. Complete install on both sides. There we go. That was easy. It literally just took a couple of minutes. It never happens like that. Don't forget, there's all kinds of other videos on my channel. These Jeep videos, there's tons of them, all kinds of stuff. Everything you see on there, even the intake, the exhaust, all that kind of stuff, go check it out. Hey guys, that's all I have for today. If you liked the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, check the people on the bottom of my channel called Bad Mofos. Hours and hours of fun. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace.